Guys, I am here to talk about a game changer in hair curling. I cannot tell you how many hairs I've actually curled in my lifetime in the beauty industry, career, lifespan of the beauty industry. Clearly, I can't tell you what I'm trying to tell you, but I've worked so many weddings where I've curled endless hairs and just creating hairstyles. And at the end of the day, my hands are literally like, seriously, it's all cramped up. I'll wake up in the morning, the next day still feeling all cramped up in my hands, my wrist, and everything. So I actually came across this hair curler called the Beachwaver. So this Beachwaver is just not any typical ceramic type of curler. It's a curler that actually clamps on to each of the strands that you part and it curls it for you. So let's all just say goodbye to arthritis, carpal tunnel in the hands and wrists. I don't know what this is, T-Rex hand, but this is literally how I feel sometimes. Literally, I feel the pain from the movement. So let's just go ahead and open this bad boy up and see what the fuss is about. Ooh, it is hot, guys. Let me just put my hair over my ears because it is hot. So as always, Instagram gets me, and that's where I got this guy from. This here is called the Beachwaver, and I believe it's the Beachwaver B1. Oh, that's so cute. My girlfriend and I call each other B1 and B2. Anyways, let's just go ahead and open this. So I got suckered into this curler because of the color. 2, because it rotates on its own. So goodbye to carpal tunnel and pain that has caused me all these years. And 3, there was a promo that if you pre-ordered this, you can get additional 20% off. It's kind of neat that the instructions and description of the curler is just all over on the outside of the package. So before I get ahead of myself, let's just go ahead and look at the package. So this is the Beachwaver Beach 1 ceramic rotating curling iron. It's a 1-inch rotating barrel, 3 steps, clamp, rotate, and release. This is also travel friendly, perfect for waves, great for all hair types. As you can see, it's travel friendly, so up to 140 volts. So if you are international or here in the States, it works for both places. Oh, I love how everything's so self-explanatory and easy. And basically, it's pretty self-explanatory, guys. Let's just go and see what's inside because I've been wanting to open this for the past, I think, 3 days. I visit my chiropractor and he gave me an adjustment. And I don't know if I don't know if I haven't had an adjustment in years, but he kind of jacked me up. So I'm a little sore and stiff around this neck and shoulder area. Bad shoulder too. I hope the microphone isn't picking up too much packaging noise. But once you open it, oh, this is even prettier. This is even prettier in person. All right, so let's just take this sucker out of the box. That's all that's in here. This just tells you safety instruction, important safety instructions, and yeah. Okay, so you basically just have the curler and the cord it's attached with because the instructions is on the box. So if you're like me who loves to throw boxes away, maybe take a picture of this so you guys have the instructions because again, once you toss the box, there's no other instructions. First impressions on this, I love the color. It has a beautiful tie-dye. Is it tie-dye? Just kidding. It's not tie-dye. It's more like an ombre color from pink to purple. It has a nice sturdy clip. It is a bit short, so I don't know, but we'll find out. It's a ceramic material. Supposedly it won't tug, burn, or pull on the hair. I like the top part of curlers where they're plastic so you can hold it while you curl it or just kind of like guide it. I'm unsure if this is necessary at this point because this is a rotating curling iron. I like the simplicity of this. It just has the name, 2 buttons. I presume this button is to roll and unroll. This has a pretty lengthy cord, which I like. I mean, who likes working with a curler that has a short length that you have to stand so close to the outlet? Let's go ahead and plug this in and see how it works. So we're just gonna turn this on. The second light is flashing. On the box, it says that if the center light is flashing or on, it's indicating that it's at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. Since this is my first time using it, let's just go ahead and keep it on the center. For reference, the top one's at 410, the The bottom one is at $2.90. It also has these two little legs here, so when you apply down on the table, it won't touch the actual table. Damn, this thing is hot. I feel the heat already. This bad boy heats up pretty fast because I can already smell, like, you know, that burning thing? I can smell the heat. I don't know why I'm getting so close. I forgot to mention the price. I believe it was $71.20 USD with the 20% off, but they also charge you a $10 shipping for any purchases over 30, something like that. But as always, I'll put everything down in the info box for you guys if you guys are interested on purchasing this. And if I can also find the additional 10% coupon code, I'll include that down there as well. And I believe this company is from Australia. I could be wrong, I'm not sure, but I think it is. Let's go ahead and read the instructions, shall we? Oh, you're sliding. Oh, it's upside down. Step 1, create a clean section of hair. Open clamp. Ooh. Do I bring it, oh, to the end? So with that section, you're going to put it all the way to the end. I'm gonna leave the end out because I want it more of like a beach wave, and just push. Oh. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, we need to do it this way. Oh. Okay, how do you, an opposite. Oh, 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 but you have to release the ends. Guys, do you guys see that? That's crazy. So here's a quick note. Because this rotates, if you want to put this back down on the table, you got to make sure you rotate the clamp away from here so you can place that back down on the table. That was kind of fun. Let's try this again. So I have a clean section, clamp the hair. You want to clamp the hair all the way to the end. Again, I'm leaving my blonde out because I want it more of a beach wave. So this is actually backwards, so you want to do forward. And then just kind of, you want to hold it all the way till the end. And now let's release. And then when you get to the end, you want to make sure just to release the clamp. And look. So if some of you guys have longer hair, you guys have to curl your hair in sections. So again, on this side, I'm gonna leave the blonde out. And by now I remember this is unroll or uncurl and curl. So I'm gonna curl. Whew. It's hard to not see what I'm doing because I'm scared this is so close to my face because I'm looking at the viewfinder. So you gotta make sure to pay attention. Now you wanna unroll, where's the, so you hold it about 2 to 3 seconds, it says. You don't have to. This curler will take some time getting used to how to place the hair in curls. So I'm gonna show this curl one more time. Again, I just have my blondes out. I extend my hair and then I'm gonna push the right side because that's the curling. So as it's curling, I kind of hold the curler a little lower so it wraps around evenly rather than it bunching up on the bottom. So we're gonna uncurl here. When it gets to this part, which is the end, I just unclamp it. And if you want to see the curl, oops. So I'm going to continue curling the rest of my hair and I'll be right back. I may not have held the curls as long as I should have, but again, I just really wanted to play with it. And look at this. It literally gives you like a nice beach wave. I mean, this is seriously a game changer. For someone who's a hairstylist like myself, who does hair all the dang time, I mean, this is really gonna help with the pain we have. We do the repetitive, tedious motions that causes carpal tunnel in the long run. I know because I have it, I experience it, and this will really help. Not just when doing hair on others, even on myself. It will take some time to figure out. I notice I do get kind of confused which button is which. That's why when you guys saw me in the video, there's times where I thought it was one direction, but it wasn't, and it went, and I had that scared look on my face. That is why. So I wish that they had maybe, I don't know, like a red and green button. Maybe one indicates curled, other one is not curled. I don't know, something. So what actually helped me when reminding myself which button was which so I don't tangle my hair in this barrel, when I'm curling my hair and I get to the top of the barrel, I'll switch it over to this. So when I'm ready to uncurl, I'll go ahead and push it since my finger is already on there, and then I'll go ahead and unclamp so it doesn't get caught up in the barrel. I absolutely, hands down, love this curler, guys. The price point was okay. I wish there was free shipping, but I'm happy I got the additional 10% off. And I love the simplicity of this curler. What's going on in the kitchen? I love how it looks, the simplicity of just how it says Beachwaver on the handle. It's just simple and self-explanatory and perfect for me. I really like the fact that it didn't tug or pull my hair, only because I went the wrong direction. That's when it pulled my hair, and it didn't burn my hair, which is a big thing, right? I actually didn't even jump into putting on any heat protectant, which I should had. But right off the bat, even though if I didn't, I don't feel it drying or in any way, but you should always put on a heat protectant anytime you apply heat onto your hair. All right, guys, that is it for my demo and review on this beautiful Beachwaver B1 curling iron. As always, I'll put everything down in the info box for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!